Our cities are constantly moving, but traditional urban logistics are struggling. Pollution, traffic, rising costs, regulations. The challenges for last-mile delivery are more complex than ever. But what if you could turn these challenges into opportunities? Introducing Arval Deliver&Go, the comprehensive last-mile business solution that supports your transition to more responsible, higher-performing urban logistics in one unique service that combines efficiency, sustainability, and innovation. We are your partner in sustainable micromobility. With Arval, you don't have to choose between operational excellence and environmental responsibility. We offer you both. With Arval Deliver&Go, you can reduce carbon emissions, improve air quality, and optimize your deliveries. Less traffic, lower costs, increased productivity. It's also a complete service that includes preventive maintenance, damage and theft coverage, roadside assistance and recovery, an intuitive monitoring platform, training for your operators, and advanced telematics systems. Our wide range of light electric vehicles allow you to access restricted traffic zones, bypass congestion, and increase your delivery efficiency. Rethink your logistics business the smarter way. Arval Deliver&Go, your smart move in urban delivery.